I made $1,000 today in under 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So as you can see at 6:37 a.m., we called out shorts, 508 puts at 0.23, and within 10 minutes, we were having a 200% trim at 0.69. Now how we enter this short, it's pretty simple. On the fractal system, in the past, we've talked about this purple line called vector. When we're below vector and also below pivot, which is this black line here, we look for short continuation, right? Now, there's a new thing we're going to talk about, which are called these open states. These ones say close as they've been revisited, and the ones down here currently say open. So all these are our previous reversal points, so we can view them as targets or support and resistance. So going into today on the 10-way 15-minute, you can see we were below vector, below pivot, and we had this open state at 510.60. And you can see that lined up pretty well with our second or third trim of 200% right around here. Then on the 7-way 5-minute, you had the same thing where we opened up the day, we were holding below vector, and we targeted these open states down here, which now say closed. Next up on the 20-way 5-minute, same exact thing we saw on the others. You have us opening up below vector, below pivot, so we're looking for downside, and then all we do is target these open states. And you can see this open state right here almost tapped perfectly with where we bounced before continuing lower. And last up for the day on the 7-way 60-minute, you can see we had an open state right around here. We had one here and one here. We then marked those out on the charts, and that was our main target for the day. So we got this 200%. We continued a little lower, eventually got chopped out, stopped out, break even for the remaining contracts. But you can still see that this target worked very well for today. Those open states right there that are now closed. And we used that to mark out low of day while also catching high of day. Pretty simple. One of the amazing tools on the fractals. If there's any questions on that, feel free to ask. And I will see you all in the next one.